abusua me da obi bia se wa unya ho a wutie nwono hwedi ampo Nyankopon wo nhira wo na onye wo kese na onfa wo mfiri adom enko adom na ommie wa adwene mu na wonye honhom mu ntiase na honam mu tiase na enkomo a meni wu bedi wo betiase yeni kan satin free ha yenya ne ntie se oma issue paper bi a eda ha me bie paper nanim kese na wo so ahwe bi na wakenkan Ghana form parking kan enti obroni di paper kura beto wanimu a wose sign na wasign kenkan tiase ne hunu de wo sign no ansa na wasign before ade a yede ka akire ba akuni se de paper brewo a kenkan paper no ti paper na se ansa na wasign yemfa paper nhye wonsem enkan titi bremu ne de paper brewo a wonim de wom wo de yes sign na wasign ebe wi akire ne de paper no abitiu mayamfa paper we mb2 paper we ensem na ewom no ebeche omo a yebedi nkomo bi wa twedi ampo Nyankopon ma hu mu ntiase wate na ote ase a ebeboa wo ne wabusua ene ye daachi tie wa ha yenya ne ntiyese ache Bishop Daniel Obinim CID bia letter na eda ho na security wo social media no kire se Juliana Oben issue sa paper no ye warrant paper omo pese omo de chi no after ye tie say na oda hospital omo yi ni free hospital no paper we ye da hoyi e na omo de kochi no na sa paper no omo de kochi na paper ni mu no so kire say ye twa sika bia ma na eno ne ye de be ma ni bail after eno no ye behwe say ye bedi na asem wo de ye ntie ensem bi so ana security ye wi amebo wo nchire mu ne ya kenkan paper no ne ye the same paper no mra no e de ahwe say ebetimi achi ne tufo edi ne tufo ana entimi ndi omo yenhwe ade bu ha the same paper no paper bi yenhwe ade bu ha
Bishop Daniel Obinim wabofo na tese edei ababeto jose CID for akwakọ doa no na no pay no so kai na se wo mo hwere pechi sisi ayeka se de CID for akache wo mfie kase mu tese Angelo Obinim wo mo de no akwakọ pie mu na amane abo ni chiechie mu ese eyade bi a gold hu nsensem bi hu ensem bi eforefore no a wo ni hu firi mu a entini enye ye eno ne nam so a CID for akọ fa no no mo chese na no pa be se no so pepepe eno kokọ doa no de be pie mo ye CID for akache na association tie for be kai a eba ye beto just na se CID for kwa akọche no wo eye na kache na wo mudru eye bia ya no wo na se na sori fia na wo ye consultation de se wo ye se shofwe we ye ye ni wedi nkomo binti no ebe ya bese mi yenko one ye se
Let's say omo pese omo kire say sansem na yete na eno ana oba no eye repetition yenya ne ntie say Bishop Daniel Obinim eye counseling or ye asori ena police for ede paper bi aye issue wo courts say omo mfa nkoche no etu omo ko e no wo ye asori according to say the yete no social media no ena wo se oyare but before no na ono aboke ne Japan di kan ba be ka say oba be kasa wo na tu no na adechie wote se ne yese ne ho mfa no ansa na ye eche no ye pese ye koche no etu omo ko e no oyare ena omo de na akwa to baabi ye boa because o se na koma se ne baabi nti no omo antimi amfa na anko am ya anko ankuti ne numu ayde asem ena ono bu kene Japan ya asa pi abonten be ka se wonim baabi a Bishop Daniel Obinim da na ne yare na wo yare ne nyina e fake e so omo che no die bi e so omo di immediate effect e so omo timi che no emo sa de betu dwa abra na police for ye omo niam nyina e se ye bisa se sa paper ne sia de paper no ho na de beto police for na de beto ono abukene Japan na de beto ana MPP ene aban e woso yi ene e police adi eno nkoda nchen because eno ho asem NMP de ode beto wo de ginya me nko a na betimi a kire but the same paper no ye be ye ho adwuma wa ha eti akoba ne se ne se yes wo da hospital nti ye twen se ne hospital na wo da no ne ho beto no enema be ko yie na afi no omo de paper no akwa ede akwa che no na wa baba be yi nanum ayede asem ayeti ye enti yetiti we ni wie ya yesi se wa free hospital nti omo de paper no akwa che no na paper na omo de ko che no ya sa ma ne bill ya twa sika bi atoso na se omo twa sika na obede ne ho na afi no akirei embra no ene na di no aba be yi na no ewo nsimfo mienu bi a ye de ato no so ewo sa ade no yen hwa ade paper na omode baaye ni enie yen hwe paper ni ye paper na omode baaye ni enie mese biem kese amwahwe na ya kenkan na ya te ase paper na ene da ho no paper ye eda ho ye be kenkan o na maka akire wo se paper ye be kenkan a obo pese omo kire se omode akwakochi Bishop Daniel Obinim the same paper no ye de bachinet too Justice Kwaku Anan and Crawford Mubad net two nyina the same paper including Honorable Apreko or Hene e Japan said the same paper etimi question yen hwade ma me paper mu ne hwade hwe paper ni ye na kenkan ye abi before mon parking kan mon kenkan na mon tine ma bi ase ansa na abunia ma bi agum so yen hwe paper na omode baaye no yen hwe paper no ene da wi hwe paper ni ye paper no or say or say arrested suspect Bishop Daniel Obinim. Yes. The Criminal Investigation Department on Tuesday, May 19, 2020 arrested suspect Bishop Daniel Obinim, head pastor of International God's Way Church. First. Second, Bishop Daniel Obinim was arrested on warrant of arrest issued by court. He has been charged with the offense of publication of false news and forgery of documents contrary to Section 208, 159 of the Criminal and Other Offense Act. Pau! Atiefo, mon parking kan intino. Ye kase ye kenkan ko akira mo munyamre na mo amoso mon kenkan bi na mo ntiase. Na mesa kenkan bi ma mate ase ma men ka asem bi nkire wo ha sa kan sa asem ni biem e wo ho asem na okan ye no o se e was second hodom second with the letter no the same letter no was say Bishop Daniel Obinim was arrested on warrant of arrest issued by courts. Juliana Obin a statement I was signed on okay. Hono it's your case on the chain. Warrant court case on the chain. He has been charged with the offense of publication of false news and forgery of documents. Powerful. Publication of false news. Why and publish false news than Net2 TV station? Honorable Kennedy Japan at the video be beto Bishop Daniel Obinim who say amanfo muntie publicon false news ni binie osi muntie na Bishop Daniel Obinim chire amanfo the way a omo baba be kunkum nipa saka wafo boys any ade. That video was edited video which was not true a false public news complete. Nipa na 7 awoka na enye no kre. What about the publishing news are enye no kre? Some news no onya wo hin. First of all, defamation of character appeal. Secondly, the news was fake. Third, asem na awoka na no kre bi ani. Eno so nkodanchen. Wasade mfoni bi beto wo se Bishop Daniel Obinim ne nkrofo bi da. E wo sumu ase ne nkrofo bi yire no money ade. Enkrofo no susu kunu no mu pia bonten ebe kan say wo mu di bi ai Honorable Kennedy Japan be court because a defamation of character no wo guni yire ne mrabusu hu fin say ye beka say Bishop Daniel Obinim eno mada eno so eno de court entimi mfa enkokoshe no eno so nkoda nchen ne nhwade demon breaker aba beka illegal adia ewo Ghana say ye kum nipa. The same paper, the paper which was issued to say yemfanye arrest of Bishop Daniel Obinim is to say Section 208 and 159 of the Criminal and Offense Act. Say publication of false news and forgery of documents. Publication of false news. Why am I publishing false news than Net2 TV station? Demon breaker started say wo kasam. News now be broadcasting ye news now be kan would Net2 no kure e ben and the was news no. into section 208 with 159 etimichi amanfo ewo false news dia. Net 2 need to be questioned. Of all the news that are broadcasting, they need to be questioned. They need to be questioned. Entinye chese mo pese mo chese adwuma na mo ye no. Mo di sisi ahiafo. Ana mo mu choose nkrofo a yese mra ni di omo ana. How can you choose people yese mra ni di omo na a favor nkrofo bi just like that? This is not right. Entina me say omu di Bishop Obi ni be famra kwan so a maka miguso kan. The same law so man fa anya adwuma dia. You people will see where Ghana is taking people to. Hey, and a man for the air call. Mami say me mu ye na mon hwa de mo parking kan. Minim say Ghana for the especially. Minya na masantifo bi parking kan. Brofo kura no kan bebre kura na on party because on tiase. Enso omo parking kan. Mon sanking kan na yen hwa de bi wa ha. Mon kin kan ye. Mon momodin na mon kin kan ye na yen hwa de. Monkin kan yo mamu ni agrokra monkin kan semni yi na mo hwa de bu ha enye se be ha de monkin kan ye monkin kan se monkin kan mo hwe section 2 wona aye nko akiri because we Juliana Obin and the by Deputy Superintendent of Police Head Public Affairs CID and the trace ade we wo de wonkin kan kura kin kan 2 wonko a ade nti a ye de chi Bishop Daniel Obini offense your issues are paper na de kwachi no kan 2 won hade 2 won so a wo be kan o ma sa ko 2 law no 208 and 159 of criminal and offense hwan mo na broadcast fake news ben na kire news e kire se yakum nipa bi news ye kire se yakum nipa na 2 ama TV station we ye news ye se yakum nipa ama omo de nkrofo bia ba betena wa omo si emanfo no moja ehwie moja gu and ye news ana publication of false news ben and ye false siniwe na sesa news no ye do credit ya ask you people yourself say adenti no mo for the same paper and chesa nkrofo no only Bishop Daniel Obinim and sa paper we ese che no e wo Ghana. Ghana na. This is not right. Ghana does not belong to Honorable Kennedy Japan. And I say Ghana for aban for penny for police for no. Omo ntimi nya de omo mo pe because emra na ya shat we the same people we mo fan chichi wo mo. The same na we in section 208159 mo fan chi wo publication of false news and another forgery document. Omo fan chi wo false news Honorable Kennedy Japan. Asema obe for Bishop Daniel Obini was not right. Video obe show and also was forgery because it was edited video. Use the same document to question them. Why do you people sit down and watch all these things? Ghana we are. I say ya adwene ye so low. What you want mu use shadi we bi. Kroma na ayete no. Enu ti no obi atimi ko fa na lawyer de lawyer kasa no. Use the same law to arrest them. Ade Bishop Daniel Obini mo na ema Ghana ko foma na Ghana kutana na. Ghana nkuta Bishop Daniel Obini mo. Nkuta ba akofo. Enti no Honorable Kennedy Japan we tie no ha, ne tie ne ye, na fa kwa asompam wa ha. The same paper no. The same paper. That same paper we na eda ha no. Honorable Kennedy Japan, mo fa nche mo wan. Se mo se o man Ghana yemfa mra nya adwuma. Na yesusu se ye de mra na be ye adwuma pepepe se de sitie de a o man Ghana. Yes, say, Mumma justice and prevail wa ha. Mumma yan fano kre and to baby no crenita. Mumma yan cano crench ye hum. Na mumian for ye and 2 ye. Bishop Daniel Obinim samra way no de children a doer ube facey. No doubt about that. Name make sure you will read and understand what is stated there. Before my brother Yakupon and concern people bia kekekwa. Make sure by law, make sure you tell them you have nothing to say or whatever to sign only when your lawyer is also there. Paper now oko sign and now paper now omu issue jina the same paper so for castle. Don't use any paper again. Use the same paper. Quote the same section for question omu. If they are not able to answer you these questions, they are being partial and unfair. Ghana does not belong to one people. It belongs to Honorable Kennedy Japan. We have to say it. We will say it again and again. The same paper. Also, it's in America. Omo media temni na ye ona wo Kennedy Japan crofo. Ni nyina ye, ba me dem aka akire. Meguso aka akire. Se muguso mo hwe. We will broadcast this. You better sansem ni nyina akire ma mo mate ne ma bia see. Very nice. Mo se mra ne nkochi Bishop Daniel Obinim. Eye. Ene de bia meguso kan o men kan kire mo se munja Bishop Daniel Obinim. Munya ne sesei. Se mra na so ne mu munya no. Munya no. Ade nti se muja no. Mo fa ne nkoi. Se mo na mo se mra chi no. Mo fa ne nko. Emra ba na chi ne ye kohwe paper na ye de bae na. Ye koko 2 section be a buyer. You see publication of false news. False news. Any forgery document. Mon check it back to net 2. How many documents? How many forgery news? And you people should go back and check net 2 again. Ghana, we have to be able to read and understand. And ade na ye de chew no te ase ansa na ye de achew ye mfiti prekopa mfa bibi nchew na emum se mra ni diu na okenkan na wo te ase hu se ampa emra na dimia face the law and na omo ka hu ni nyina they also have to face the law said ye mra na sitie no sa na yeso obi afinchi pepepe na that same law no entimi anche prophet pastor Bedukobi entimi anche na forget about that. Demon breaker. Munim no ana. Ghana CID for munim no ana. Mountain in Ghana. Forget about that one too. Manasseh, mountain in Ghana. Manasseh, the end day. You don't need even this when sa court warrant we mun here we no. Sa court when am court to you the 209 section na. A publication of false news no crowd mun here. We are only the end of a criminal case. A crime completely because on wabeka. Say ojina obi eyewitness. Simple and never deny say na on kan bi. Any you kum crofo no and you kum opemfo no ne bandi si na mona. Let's take it say on kan bi but or ye eyewitness. Inti no obetimi a kire ba bia ye kum no nipa omu kum no. San crofo ye nche omo ana. Ghana is a joke. Minya, pepipa ni bi ne kan why? Oyo man bapa. Ken bi. Ken ni mani bi. Na ti ni mani bi ase. Na o man Ghana ye nhwe baabi o mo de ye kɔ. Emra no edi Bishop Obi ni mu nko a because nkrofo bi empe na asem. Ene nkrofo bi so nya o madwene se o mo be support Bishop Obi ni bi bia nti no. Ono nko a de ye mfa ne nkɔ but ye bo obi din ti say oh Prophet Kofi Oduro, there be on the end is a moon and mokano. Yakobo biti say, Diabolo, hey, there be only the end of a fake. Diabolo, no one casana, your friend of perpetual being forward derishation. One casaba confirm say, net 2, anyone noble in Japan. They need to question the guy or else guy no ebe go meduma. O moment was a move and we take it time, may yin to watch it. Because in some no more can some no achire wo mo ankasa Diabolo na ye friends of maame pep no wo ankasa say and some na Manasseh be kafa no ho no nye no kore which means say no nye no kore dia and some Manasseh kafa no obia hu bia no ye say no kore a publication of false news the same law ye mfanche wo adenti na Ghana obi kan bibia no afa no ho adi sa se munim se mra wo dada. Say publication of false news for what it will be that yeah. How long? Enti Esan say Honorable Kennedy Japan. Any Bishop Daniel Obinim enya issue nintino. We jinemu kakin tin say yamfa samra nenchino. abra onim se samra we ho dada yebetimi de achiche nkrofo bi na oman Ghana nkrofo bi aka oman no atum no omosi daabi Bishop Obi nim de yemfa ne nko na mra ho be so ne yemfa ne nko a the same thing publication of false news you know hey se utie me na wudi matem na se wo mpem asem na because se wonim se ye kan okrint wo mpe dia koso ne di matem babu sa ho se the same paper kinkan ye me se biemu kura mama kinkan ye mon kinkan tu wo ye ma men kan biem ne nwura maso na ase monte men kan biem ne nwura maso tu ho no a because e ho no ne first ade a wo di gina so wo de chi no wo mo say Bishop Daniel Obinim was arrested on warrant of arrest issued by court. He has been charged with the offenses of publication of false news. Of false news and forgery of documents contrary to section 208 and 159 of the Criminal and Other Offences Act 960 Act 29 respectively. The suspect is also under investigation for other offense leveled against him. And no. We eno Bishop Daniel Obinim. We enentia yekote. Minya. Eno na Kevin Taylor so kan na asimbi. I'm just using him as a statement with all due respect. Any dear say a fata emam penyimfo nyina with that all due respect. Ghana for moma ye ni na ho. Ghana for moma ye vigilant. Moma ye say aboa okore moma ye ni na ho. Yen hwe niema na ekɔ ni yi. Na moma ye mfa niema ntoto na akwan mu. Enne na wo hu ni saa wo kyina se ya masa de we engina ye de bedi wu ni wabusuafo. Ochina bi the same paper ye de beba ba chi obusuani na oka kire me se paper we ye de be chiw na wo pese ye de chi obi na wo ye se wo gi ho akini a oja enhyew se ochina bi ebewura wabusuamu ne ye de paper we be chi wabusuani na wo bie wano one word a oja enhyew na se wo gina offense we ho ene sa court warrant we omu issues here fanchi Bishop Obinim e de kogina ba bi kasa na wanka no kra oja enhyew no wabusuafo because munim de ekọ munim no kre na mo kata no kre so se maji atum se Bishop Daniel Obinim nyuma na wo ye ne enye papa obi anye ho achinie se eye offense na etie Ghana mra na Ghana mra no ese etie niam na o ye dia minua obi ntimi nje ho achinie nemom adenti na emra no eyese edi Bishop Daniel Obinim enkoa. Why? Ask yourself why. There are so many people ayabo omudin ewo nsensem na ekoso no. Why only Bishop Daniel Obinim? Why? Why only Bishop Daniel Obinim? Se enoso koda nchenso so a this same offense na amwoka publication of false news. See the chairman for dia news ben and net 2 embeka ye nsem ben yentim for net 2 minua vini hu ye when you asem bebre ese me kan tinte tenase da vini hu ye. Take your time and think about it. Scroll Facebook hwehwe nsensem na omo kan pipa ni bi minua no makan fo ni bi amon parking kan mon kan na mon tiase mo so na mo de mo sima ko school mo ni bi mo so mon kan I work with school now when Indian the people we bet you who be jina me the people we have a chino. Na ye de china abra ni pana mu susu ayebode. Minia umamani na ho. Na Ghana no se wono obuke ne Japan mra shebedwani wo se wo de mra no ye adwuma. Na emra no obeme de achi Bishop Obinim na ya chi de dia and the demon breaker there. Utim so no de obesa akodem so no de no dem no pi by according to no obesa akodem. Sama na ase no eyese ono so dem enya sa yesi stop wo nyina. Mark this words very carefully. Mark my words very carefully. Say yachi Bishop Obinim with this issue Manase on manage to obium. Demon breaker on manage to obium. That same story of publication of false news, Net 2 will stop it from now because paper don't make kind. They will read and they will understand and they will stop publication of false news. Because any false news, which they have evidence, are a proof with what they are saying in it, yeah. Believe you and me, then emrano esit michom. Enise emrani ja omomo kasakwa. They need to be arrested. E yes omko ka omuso anu masem. Tansem we kura na yen kan wo TV show. Police force straight so fu ye kum nipa me hu yi yenche no. Ah. Minia, so obi be catch us so fu bi kum nua ba. How would you take it? Enti wuti we se wo nua ba. Wo nua bema. Ana wo abusua bi ne say so fu bi ekunua. How would you take this? Obefa ne tra ana wo be take action. Enti se wo nim se wo be take action. Se koye obusua ni dia. This is the time wa ayese mu take action. Not justice a prevail ewa. Emran eni obia. Obi be make false news. Obi be forgery documents. Obi be edit video e di go obi hu animu ase. Na mra bi timechi omo dia. Why are we wasting our time? Why do we keep on wasting our time? Whilst emran be timi achichichi nkrofo bi say Ghana is a joke. Encrophobia media temni na encrophobia. They don't want the truth. They know the truth. And they don't want to accept because they don't want to face facts. But me, I face facts. A dew which you hwee me say abrochie ha na yete no ye list mistake. Na mra new. Na ka kire me say wo maame krom ha ya ne dia. O papa krom ha ya ne dia. They don't know you from anywhere. What they know is the law. Bring your paper and show, say, Unimrano. The same law. A branch here be a minute year, Juma. Poor Juma pa, me penny back pardon. Your poor Juma. And I'm catching, oh, I then I won't use you. No smacks in being cut out when you're not. When you're free. Or be catch them, will be called two law, chrem. O code 2 law, code 2 section, what the chrem say. And Mramich de nipa, here the farm hoodie. There are differences. Your farm hoodie and Mram. It is almost the mrabi be beating say on shed ya. Also mra kwan, also bachelor my chile on a farm hoodie. If you know your rights and if you know what you are doing, nobody can deceive you with any unnecessary paper issued by court. Now court may issue warrant paper, but let's say gas and one. Take the paper, give it to your lawyer. Also a school in the other kind. Some papers do if it's issued by a lawyer. When he says, "I see this is a foolish case." Yeah, case you're dealing with law. I have foolish case pen. This is what I'm telling you. You people know nothing. What do you want to when I'm it? I can't say law no coach you be an action. Your case with me a foolish case. I want me die case, no foolish case. You people think what? Yeah, to me die case, no. Paper no mean say more to me die case, no. Paper ni more munsem a die case no. Omo ready can to me say this is a foolish case. Ni pay ba be gu hu fia ba be kan sem bia wono so ne sem bi o ka fa ho na nya no kre. The same on obo in Japan sem bebre a waka for bishop da na obi no na nya no kre. Evidence is there. E bibia ye clear. On be show videos bi on obo in Japan was hey kwakwana mu video no na hwe. Munyi video no nchire omo mo hwe. Bishop Daniel Obinim, hwede oye, okunkum nipa, oye say, mon hwe, ye ko he video na ya kati video no, en ye yi party bi, en ye play party bi. Full video ni ba ya enye no kre, o chire asem mu. En asem no ebesi asem bi so, na ya kate ho. Na ye dey force say news na ka say eye news eye no kre. People are publishing this news to say eye no kre. Meanwhile, it's fake. A publication of false news, fake. And you fake the same news original social the channel. The same news. Yes, says he's saying that this time around. His Excellency President Nana Akufo-Addo and a Tiakunyaso. Honorable Kennedy Japan MP Ediachiri. Enti omodie. Say at the end we will push them. Ghana. Say the son airport ya be bread. Ye bebre hwede wo ye ho me se mra no eche baakofo a Ghana fo mo amonjeje se mra no ti meche baakofo Na eja innocent ones ne dia. Ghanaians, judge this yourself. We nyame na meka akire omo amonyeje. Nti ente ye wo no, omachi obi nim, paper ye de kwachi obi nim no. Eno nsoso ene da ho no. Saa paper ni mu nsoso ye de kwachi no nsoso a, yekohwe mu nsem a, the same rana echi nkrofo bi, ba saa nkrofo no mafo mu adi. Ghana fo yesi ye ntia ase. De ko wie no de kote ye no. Menua ene de ba, nti se motisi yesi achi bishop obi nim a, no kure se o mo se yachi no saa. Na paper o me de kwachi no ene da ho no. Section 2 ho na me kire no 208 and 159 of Criminal and Offences Act 190 no ene de kwachi no. Na ye de kwachi ni wi a yesi be kwa hwim. Na bill no so yesa de koma na me hwe bill ne. Na me hwe bill ne ye nkenkan yi ha. Or see the CID administration, however, they may be. Bishop Obinim was sent Magistrate Court Accra and has been granted bail in the sum of 100,000 Ghana cedi with 3 days. Hey, go full we be and near my omodi no. Wow, Ghana do. You hear need ya was a mobo 100,000. Hey, and only any bill. Justice and reappeal before court in June 1st, 2020. Bishop Daniel Obinim. People wait there. A chingrofo and chingwa. Why? Tino, and ye and chingwa chingrofo a chingrofo tino. And how se Ghana no echi wonko a yebe hu de ekwade de eba enyansafo bi beti ase enyansafo bi beti ase if omo di ono abokene Japan echi mpu no omo te asem na America na se they really understand what I'm saying nenso esan say akoye ono abokene Japan na ye party MPP ntino who is ready to come out why ene be ba bontin nti ebe ni say ya na de akọ saving po se muntimi ma bontin meka no kura nkyira amanfo mo montia mukohia osumu ase koye meeting so a muntu mofo na if you people cannot advise yourself privately moba badua mususu a muntimi ntu mofo nhye mo so kakra you still show everything emra we na mode chi no okay ene yese musumu nyina mo face mra no this is why I say you have to face the fact upe umpo emra na be ya adwuma na chi bishop obinim na anchi demon breaker na anchi manase na ankwashin net 2 ene omoniema omoye ene omo publication of false news na omo broadcast wo hodo a believe you and me se mo na mo support diabolo perpetual sunsumu wiase wo hunahuna mo ama mo da mo na wo hunahuna mo a mo gem ho anje no mo musa mo se mo wo hunahuna bebrebe ne se mo support se asema ye kan fa no honye no kore sa woman na wo der girigirigiri diabolo no se mo gidi sa asema ye kan fa no honye no kore se mo am support no mo gidi se enye no kore omo se enye no kore de hin na ye no kore de hin ene ye no kore se mo be ka kire me se perpetual donko diabolo asem no a manase ka fa no honye no kore dia ene from day one asem a na tufuo kan ye nyina anye no kore entimi ma se bi ye no kore bi nye no kore ni nyina anye no kore ni nyina anye no kore enya enye eya eye enti se mu yi bi free mu pe ho na mu be hu partiality ni wa. This is what I'm telling you people. Think about it very carefully. Ade na mu yi obi afrim na mu di bi ka ho na embra ni di obi na yi bi afrim. What kind of Ghana na yetine sa? O my be na yetim sa. O my na embra na di obi na yi obi afrim. E we dey on ka ho, we dey innocent, we dey on tisa, we dey otisa. Hwe. Perpetual donko. Diabolo was support to onabukene Japan sa eso ene what asema okay aya mutia munti asem ne nko akiri ma muntie ne kekekwa munnyini niema bi hu nko akiri yie osi won enye no kure ne bayi sem na ye kan nyanya no kure moja bia wonom ye onim ho hwe sama na se ni twa ntoro wo ye torofo obese ne tufo no ne be kire o madwuma ye omo nkwahye no all this nonsense wabeka eno de amugidi moji atum na mo accept mo wia mo be kase bishop obinim de ye no kre ayi reverend obofo de ye no kre beduko bi de ye no kre ebe pomu nyina mutiri so o my Ghana mo hu ba bi ekọ Mahu baby ade ne eko. Okay. Se mo se sa na mo pede ya. Sa na yedi bedi mo because omu nim se muti no ewu coconut head na esisu keke eye empty. Di bie ni so. Na sa coconut head no pese wo feed dia. Feed it with asem papa ne ma papa. Enye this kind of nonsense. Yes are the same ade no omu di bedi mo. Obedi bedi wo no abusua. Entu wunti no krofo bebre wo ha omo no sa case no omu nim se entu omo no omabusuafo da. They don't care what they write or they don't care even what they say. They just write any nonsense because enye omabusuani. Mon train ebeto mu no mabusuafo. Na mu wia mu benya mo kasa mafo ama mo. Mo ebeto mu no mabusuafo de. Mo kasa mafo beba no. Mo be kire. Why? You be tie nwum na abusuafo. Hana nti nyamenyom kakra. Aha. Ena me de mu bisi. Emra no enye adwuma. Justice has to prevail. Say publication of false news. Etimichi Bishop ubinim dia. The question is publication of false news. Why am I false news to send it to Mrashe? This question goes to you and your people. Ask yourself this question. Are you not also publishing false news? Mon for false news be abo emada. Munye bida. Okay, mon question mo. Afi yenko. Inti